Hi, we use Texas Movers Group. Found them through the Better Business Bureau. They're very highly rated. When we went to move, we have a 3,400 square foot, 2-story home. Selected 3 firms that were highly rated on the Better Business Bureau to get bids from. Texas Mover bid was very competitive. They came out, thoroughly looked over everything at the house, answered all my questions, gave me a very competitive bid, and obviously we selected their bid. Everyone that we've worked with Texas Movers Group has been great. Michelle, Zach, Sean, everybody. Very helpful, very service-oriented, answered all our questions, prompt at getting right back to me. The crew came out to pack up the house, very professional, high-quality packing materials, took very good care in packing everything up. I would highly recommend Texas Movers Group should you need to be moving in the near future.
Thank you. Good.
So another interesting thing about our move, I'm a bit of a wine fanatic, and we had a wine closet. Texas Movers Group worked with me, got special wine shippers so that we could package the wine. They're holding the wine for me and shipping it to my new location when the weather's cooler. So they're very customer service oriented. They'll work with you with your special requests. Please consider Texas Movers Group.
Thank you.